Major encounter broke out in Maharashtra's Gadchiroli between police and the Maoists in the particular region. Now, at least 12 Maoists were killed in this encounter operation, is what we have learned. The police said that they recovered several weapons from the encounter site, in fact. Now, the operation was launched at around 10 a.m. in the morning in Gadchiroli, in which 7 C-60 parties led by Deputy SP operations were sent near Chhattisgarh border in Wandoli village after credible intelligence was received about 12 to 15 Naxals being present near the village. Reports said that the exchange of fire started in the afternoon and continued till late in the evening. Reportedly, it lasted for more than 6 hours. Following the encounter, the police began to search the area and have till now recovered 12 dead bodies, all of them being Maoists. Now, if we quickly take you through some of the information that's been received with regards to the weaponry that's been recovered. As far as the recovery of the weapons is concerned, police said that they have found 7 automotive weapons, which includes 3 AK-47s, 2 INSAS, 1 carbine and 1 SLR from the place of the encounter. One of the dead was in fact even identified as the DVCM Lakshman Atram alias Vishal Atram, an important area commander of the Maoists. He was in charge of the Tipagad Dalam, and police are yet to identify the other Maoists killed in the operation. The search operation is also on in the area with regards to the Maoist presence in this region. Meanwhile, 1 police sub-inspector of the C-60 and 1 Jawan have suffered bullet injuries. Both of them are out of danger and have been moved to a hospital in Nagpur for better treatment. Maharashtra Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has announced a cash reward of Rs 51 lakh for the C-60 commandos and Gadchiroli police who were involved in this operation. Operation was carried out even as it was raining heavily in the entire area. This is in fact being described as a major success for the forces. Let's take a look at what's been said by the Deputy Chief Minister of the state.
गडचिरोली छत्तीसगड बॉर्डरवर काकेर जवळ आपल्या गडचिरोली पोलिसांनी C-60 ने एक मोठं ऑपरेशन केलेलं आहे. या ऑपरेशनमध्ये 12 माओवाद्यांना यमसदनी पाठवण्याचं काम आज आपल्या पोलिसांनी केलंय. दुपारपासून हे एन्काउंटर चाललेलं आहे. दुपारी मी गडचिरोलीला असताना त्या ठिकाणी एसपींनी आणि आयजींनी मला याची माहिती दिली होती. आता लेटेस्ट माहिती अशी आहे की जवळपास 12 माओवादी मारले गेले आहेत. बॉडीज त्यांच्या मिळालेल्या आहेत. ऑटोमॅटिक मशीन गन्स आणि बरंच मोठं अम्युनेशन त्या ठिकाणी प्राप्त झालेलं आहे. आपल्याही एक सब इन्स्पेक्टर आणि एका पोलिसाला त्या ठिकाणी ते जखमी झालेले आहेत, पण ते आउट ऑफ डेंजर आहेत. त्यांना नागपूरला पाठवण्यात आलेलं आहे आणि अजूनही ही एन्काउंटर सुरू आहे. पण आता पूर्णपणे आपल्या पोलिसांनी त्या ठिकाणी डॉमिनन्स मिळवलेला आहे आणि निश्चितपणे गडचिरोली पोलिसांच्या या शौर्याकरता मी त्यांचं मनापासून अभिनंदन करतो. आणि जवळपास गेल्या काही वर्षातला हा सगळ्यात मोठा एन्काउंटर असल्यामुळे, हा सगळ्यात मोठा ऑपरेशन असल्यामुळे मी गडचिरोली पोलिसांना 51 लाख रुपयाचं बक्षीस या ठिकाणी राज्य सरकारच्या वतीनं जाहीर करतो.